Okay, so what do we got to do to start this thing up then?
Okay.
So,
To change this filter, you shut this valve, and then put a bucket underneath and open this up.
that'll drain the water or pressure out of it, or is there
Yeah.
water?
There's water, pressure and water.
Okay. Good. That's good. That's all
So
right.
that you open it
Yeah.
and twist it, and then eventually you'll get. There we go.
That's all.
So
we
you
need.
know it's open. No.
Oh.
Then you open this valve and see how it'll drain,
Yeah.
and watch this sight glass. Once the water is down to here, down below this level,
Right.
then there's no more water in here. You could close this drain and take this cap off, nut off, and this will drop out.
So what's involved in taking that off? Like
The
what do
only
we gotta
thing, this is the key to take it off. You put it in the hole, and
do? Just twist.
and just
Oh,
twist.
I see. Okay.
There you go.
I thought it had something to do with this gizmo
Nope.
up here.
Nope.
Okay.
Those are just mounting holes for this bracket.
Gotcha. Built-in tool.
So then you close this back up.
Put a new filter in.
Put a new filter. Yeah. Make sure this is
And,
closed.
and if you're changing the O-rings, you're going to lube them with some silicone.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what I do is I open this, and then slowly open this valve till you get there.
There
you
you
get
go.
some water. You know all the air is out,
Gotcha.
and then you could open this valve fully
And then open,
and
the
open
other.
this one,
And done deal.
and then done deal.
And this should be replaced right now. Is it once a month? Is that what?
I believe every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
For the first,
I can't remember the
month.
first couple of months or something.
I have it right here. What Jesse?
And then we've got the filters over here. So that's a pretty coarse filter. So it's really takes out the heavy,
It's
heavy
not.
stuff.
This is only 10 micron, which is the lightest one. Well, it might not be the lightest, but there's 30 micron
Oh, okay.
for if we're trying to clean out really fine sediment. So yeah, it needs to be changed regularly in the beginning, and as the system gets cleaner, the filter changes can extend in duration. In my experience with these type of systems, it should be changed every 2 weeks for the first 2 months.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Each time it's changed, the filter will tell us how much sediment is present.
Right.
Another way to tell if this is plugged is if you look in this sight glass and there's that ball floating around in there.
Mm-hmm.
If that ball's like
At the bottom,
at the bottom
Yeah.
or barely moving like that, you
Uh-huh.
know the filter's plugged. Because
no water's getting through.
yeah, you see how much it's moving? Yeah.
All right.
So after